Hello and welcome to Vyrol, our short form video platform tool. Today, all we're going to do is just add a logo to a video. Keep it nice and simple. We have lots of kind of features, but this is kind of, think we have a problem. We need to add a logo to a range of videos for social media. Maybe we forgot to do it in edit, or we didn't want to do this 3 times in a timeline, just because it may take, a fair bit of time doing. So I'm going to show you how quickly it is. We can choose our video. So let's go to video, presenters. Let's just choose a presenter. We can trim this if we like. There's lots of settings available. We are going from steps 1 to 8 on our workflow. So I'm going to choose my output. The outputs are going to be a vertical 9 by 16, square 1 by 1, and landscape 16 by 9. I can choose our output resolution. We can then go to step 3, so we can choose to auto detect best clips or just go full video, which is what we're going to do now. I'm going to disable captions because we are just adding a logo in this video. I will talk about captions in the next video. In the branding option, we have lots of different types of things that we can brand on the video, but for now we're just going to add a logo. I'm going to choose my file and I'm going to go to images. And I'm going to choose let's just choose a transparent logo. Okay. When I go to preview now, you will see that the logo has tried to work out the best placement. But for now, we're just going to quickly refine it. So by selecting our logo, we can move the X and the Y position, and we can get it into position. For this middle video, it's a little bit too on the left hand side, so I can move the video into the center, and when it comes to the logo position, I'm just going to rescale it a little bit, put it into position, and let's just do this. Okay, and the reason why I'm doing this is because obviously one we want to make it accurate, but 2, it enables us to save this as a preset, so we never have to do this again. We just choose the preset that we want, and the video that we add to this preset will be correct in its entirety. So now I'm going to forget about all these other settings. We've gone from steps 1 to 7. When we go to render, all we need to do now, we can save the workflow preset as maybe Vyrol logo, save to account, and we create our 3 videos. So what you'll see here is when it says play sound when video render completes or fails. So as soon as it's rendered, it will give a notification that you can hear. Once all 3 have done, you will see them being underneath the current jobs that are rendering. For each video, it will add the name of the file, plus it will concatenate the format in the file name, so you have a quick reference to it. And then once the 3 formats have done, we can go to preview and we can play them out before we download them. Manual captions don't scale. Here what you'll see is a logo like here, video. If I go to the 1 by 1, manual captions don't scale. Bang, if I go to the 9 by 16, it made all the logos exactly the same position as cover sheet. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to talking to you in the next one. Thanks a lot.